Is right now the perfect time to buy Apple, and where could the price be going next? Those are the questions I'm going to be answering in this video, and we're going to answer the first question, is right now the perfect time to buy, by using this Fibonacci retracement tool. So looking at the price, we can see that from around this low, price climbed up to this high before we started seeing this retracement. If we draw the tool from this low up to this high, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is, in the stock market, when stock prices start retracing, they tend to find support at one of these Fibonacci levels. We can see that Apple has found support at multiple levels of the Fibonacci, and more recently it has found support at this final level. So based on this, what are some good areas to get in? An area where you might want to consider getting in is going to be around here. This is $209. This is a Fibonacci level, and price has found support at this level recently. With levels like this, we tend to see the price coming back down to test it multiple times. So if the price does come back down to retest this level, that could be a good opportunity to get in. The current price is also not too bad. Anything around this dark green area or below is what I would consider a discount. So an entry strategy you might want to consider is getting in around the current price and dollar cost averaging at this level if the price comes back down to retest it. So that's the entry side of things. However, getting a good entry is only the first step. It's equally important to have a good exit strategy in place, and we can get an exit strategy using this Fibonacci extension tool. But before we dive into that, you might be wondering whether I'm currently holding Apple or if I'm planning to invest in it. And the answer is, the large majority of my portfolio is built around a strategy that tracks trades made by US politicians. This is because investing alongside key politicians is the most profitable strategy I've found in the stock market. Over the years, it has delivered returns that blow every other strategy completely out of the water, so I mostly only invest when key politicians are involved. If you are curious about how I do this and how you can too, I've put together a free video explaining how I find the most profitable trades, and I also go through the returns of this strategy over the past 3 years. The link to it is in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. Coming back to the Fibonacci extension tool, if we do something similar to before, going from this low up to this high, and this time if we pull the tool down to where this retracement has ended, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is, as the price starts climbing up, these are the levels where we tend to see strong resistance. And knowing this, investors using this tool like to lock in some of their profits at these levels, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So what are some areas where you might want to consider taking some profits? The first level is going to be around here. This is $247. The level above this is going to be around here. This is $258. And the third level is around here. This is $272. So locking in some profits as the price climbs up to these levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. I will be making update videos as the price gets to these key levels. If you would like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like on the video, as that helps out the channel a lot. That brings us to the end of the video. If you would like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to the free video explaining everything is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.